Let's start cooking. Firstly, cut the garlic slices 3/4 cup. For mild green chilies cut into slices, it will be around 30 grams. Chop 2 onions, it will be around 200 grams. Three small potatoes cut into cubes, it should be around 2 cups. Traditionally, this recipe made with mustard oil, but we are using olive oil. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Add 1/4 cup of sliced garlic. Remaining garlic will be used later in the recipe. Cook on medium heat till it is golden. Now add potatoes. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium heat. Add 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Mix it well. Now add 500 grams of fenugreek leaves. Mix it well. Add chopped onions. Add remaining 1/2 cup of sliced garlic. Now add dried red chilies broken into pieces. Add green chilies. Add 1 cup of tomatoes, peeled and cut into cubes. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium-low heat. When you cover, leave little bit of room for vapors to escape during this slow cooking. And cover and check if potatoes and garlic slices are cooked well and tender. If potatoes not done, then cover and cook for a few more minutes. Sprinkle some mild green chilies. Best to eat with freshly made roti or naan. Delicious fenugreek and potatoes are ready to serve. Comment if you like this recipe. Subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thanks for watching.